With the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and the Dimensity 9500 already official, it is that time of the year when we are going to get a lot of flagships with these two chipsets. We have already seen the launch of Xiaomi 17 series, the Vivo X300 series, the Oppo Find X9 series and the Honor Magic 8 series. It is now time for Redmi to launch its flagship phones. The Redmi K80 series was launched in November last year in the Chinese market, and it included the Redmi K80 and the Redmi K80 Pro. Well, this year we also have a third phone under the Redmi K90 series, and it is named the Redmi K90 Pro Max. So Redmi is following the same naming convention as its parent company. The official launch of the Redmi K90 series is on the 23rd of October, so while there are a few days left for the launch, the company has shared the official images of the Redmi K90 Pro Max, which give us a pretty good look at the design and the color options. Now, the Redmi K80 series had a pretty clean design with a circular camera module on the back, but I would say the Redmi K90 series has an even better design. As we can see, there is a rectangular camera module on the back similar to the Xiaomi 17 series. Now, there is no secondary display on the back, but Redmi did make use of this extra space available in the camera module. As we can see, the camera module actually has a speaker and there is sound by Bose branding as well. So the audio quality of this phone should be pretty good. It is also worth mentioning that it is not the first time we are seeing this sort of a camera module on a Redmi smartphone. In fact, just a couple of years ago, we got the Redmi K70 series which had a similar camera module design. The difference this time is obviously that loudspeaker and also the fact that the Redmi K90 Pro Max has more rounded corners. The Redmi K90 Pro Max also has a periscope telephoto camera on the back, which I think makes it the first Redmi flagship to have a periscope telephoto camera. As for the rest of the design, it is pretty identical to the Xiaomi 17 series, so we have a flat metal frame and a flat display with slim bezels. Now the bezels are not symmetrical as the bottom chin seems to be a little bit thicker than other sides. But still, this overall design definitely looks clean. Finally, the Redmi K90 Pro Max is also coming in this denim blue color option, which has this textured back with a denim finish. As per some rumors, there is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with a massive 7500 mAh battery, 100 watt fast charging, wireless charging support, an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, a Quad HD Plus flat OLED panel, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. So yeah, it looks like the Redmi K90 Pro Max is going to be a really good phone when it comes to the specifications. Let us see at what price the phone is launched and whether it is launched outside the Chinese market. If it does launch outside China, then it will most probably launch under the Poco branding. So what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.